Hi, I'm Guy, and I'm talking about how to harness your Android phone battery. And there's two essential settings. And in the Samsung Android phones, I've got two settings. One is power saving, and one is protect the battery. The power saving works great. I've put together a little video showing the before and the after. And if you're on a long commute or a camping trip out in the wild where you don't have the ability to charge your phone, using the power saving mode is a plus for sure. Okay, on your Android phone, you go to settings, right? And then you go down to battery. Click on battery. There's two settings in here, power saving and protect battery, and I have both of mine turned on. Protecting the battery makes it maximum charge to 85%. And power saving, I can do it show and tell. Okay, there was it turned on. I got 2 days and 12 hours. Turn it off. It goes down to 1 day and 23 hours. So that pretty much does the sales pitch for power saving. Protect the battery, and good luck on stick it in the pocket. The protect the battery mode, there's a big debate on that. I call her the queen of everything, my wife. She says it doesn't matter, but she's not an electrical engineer. If I was going to find out for sure, I'd ask my nephew Kevin, because he is an electrical engineer and would know such things. So there you have it, how to take care of your battery, 2 steps in the settings and how to do it, everything if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. As always, there's a Google document in there that covers this episode, and it's got all the links and the how-to and everything in it. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.